Model, 2005 Mercedes Sprinter Minibus 2.2 CDTI Automatic Camper Motorhome. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 166,925. Engine, 2148 CCM 611A. Transmission, RWD, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Slight injector chuff on injector number 2. Injector seal will need replacing, still runs and drives fine. Auto gearbox is perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. This would make the perfect camper project. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.